Well, hello everyone, I hope you all have a great day and a good new year and have a great start of this new year. I'm coming with a video tutorial and it's pretty much just about network basic from JG Tech Nerd. Let's go. Basic network. When it comes to everyday normal users, well, they have internet provider and that internet provider provide networking, Wi-Fi, security, maybe even TV, phones, and so on and so far, but also providing the hardware. And when it comes to that, there's one basic thing you get: a router. And what is a router, Jonas? What does it do? Well, it does pretty much everything for you, so you don't need to touch anything. You just plug it in and then set up. You connect to it with cable, with Wi-Fi, it's all set up. But what does it when it comes to it? I know it's a router. Well, what is a router even? Well, a router is one that's routing network. It does the security stuff. It doesn't need, but it can do security. It can do the Wi-Fi. It can do the network with Ethernet, and overall just provide network and also have the security where it checks for people that's trying to hack into your system or hack through your mails and so on. Not hack through, but hack through your network to send a packet through that way. But we don't want to get it too advanced. We just want to make it simple, so everyday normal user can understand this. So you get that and it does everything for you. You don't need to touch anything. You just plug it in and then you can connect with your phone, you can connect with your laptop, with your desktop, with your printers, with your TV and so on, and it works. It works totally fine with everyday normal user because you don't use it that intensive. But when it comes to like me, I use a lot of network and I'm very nerdy. I have education IT support, so I know a lot about it, and it's not the best solution when it comes to security and providing stable network. So I have expanded mine and actually taking everything off the internet provider's hardware because it's not the most secure thing ever, and I've actually experienced that. So we put everything onto my own setup, homemade security with firewalls and different VLANs and so far and so on. But we don't want to get into that because it's more complicated and it's not what normal days users use or get when it comes to that, because they just get the one from the internet provider, plug it in, and then they leave it there. But pretty much you get a router with the internet provider and the internet, and it does everything for you. You plug it in and then it works. For everyday normal user, you get Wi-Fi, you get Ethernet, you get security, you get everything. You get everything basically. It does everything in once. And that is how basically almost every person that is not into networking, IT stuff, using their network or set it up themselves, is just how they get it, because they use that and think that's fine, don't touch. And that's how it is for everyday user. And I will stop saying it because I've said it a lot of times, but I want to make this video short. So if you like it, of course, and if you want more of this, then like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss another video from your favorite JG Tech Nerd. Signing out. Peace.